Cannot feel me. You cannot get near me. You cannot see me. You cannot even hear me. I'm not a Christian, nor an atheist, not a politician, or a scary bitch. I'm a fire-breathing dragon ghost. The greatest toasted dragon goats and bellow for some shit to make your eyes, ears, and nose itch. I am always me in every single level of infinite reality, and I run that shit polite until I get too fed to wear my mask. Then I take the crap that I done swallowed, spew forth lava till I'm hollow, try loose on for size. I thank God for everything, especially the things I despise, for they are what makes heaven rise. I'm about to get so righteous, everyone says that the sight of me is strange, and I know that you all want me to say I'm gonna change, but I will continue to force the zoot into my brain. I'm not like any but I seem like many of you. My own voice is the one in my head that tries to talk me into harming you, and it's always very clear, the only voice I ever hear. But there are three different versions, me, myself, and eyeballs. Each have aspersions of getting through your ears. One of us is going first. You see my pride. The other guy is pure goodness. We try to have him steer the ride. The third guy is imaginary, 'cause I refuse to have anything to do with this. I already died. Who the hell do you think you are? You got your own body, you drive your own damn car. I stay in my zone, buddy, out my zone. You should be, or I guarantee somehow our God will enforce you following his law. He is Yeehaw Yahweh. He is the one. He is here to stay. He is here. He begun everything, every day, everyone, everything you know that you see. It was all he. You better believe, because you don't really have to. He believes in you, and he is alive in me. Catch your knife, get